Hello, my name is Sandra Silva-Cisneros, and I'm going to be your Spanish instructor. But before we get into detail about the class, I'm going to go ahead and talk about myself. So, as I mentioned, my name is Sandra Silva-Cisneros, and I became an instructor about 15 years ago in 2003. I started teaching Spanish at the high school level, as beginning from Spanish 1 to Spanish 2. I then continue at other levels, teaching AP Spanish literature and AP Spanish language, preparing high school students for college advanced placement classes. I gone and explore more teaching Spanish at a lower level, so I acquired my multiple subject credential in around 2008, and I started teaching elementary school. So I have taught at the dual immersion program in kindergarten, teaching students Spanish only, all materials, all subjects, but in Spanish only. As I've stated, I acquired my teaching credential from CSU Stanislaus and also my bachelor's degree from CSU Stanislaus in the year 2002. I then proceeded to expand my knowledge of the Spanish language and acquired a master's in Spanish language and literature from UC Santa Barbara, University of California, Santa Barbara. And that, again, the emphasis is learning more about the language, the culture, the literature, and also the proper pronunciation. I have then taught at different levels. Spanish 1, Spanish 2, Spanish 3. It might be different terms for it, but pretty much is the basic level to the advanced level, which is the college level. I look forward to teaching online. It's going to be my first experience, and it's going to be something that I look forward to expanding and also having that connection with you. And I know Spanish is a foreign language for the majority of us. It's a big challenge. But in this Spanish 1 course, what the focus is for us to acquire a high confidence in ourselves, to not be afraid to practice our Spanish aloud, to hear it, to pronounce it, to imitate it, and look at lots of visuals and videos to help us have a better knowledge of the Spanish language. So, again, you're welcome to contact me anytime if you have any questions, and we'll continue having a fun time learning Spanish. Thank you. Let's have a great season. Bye-bye.